Well, here we sit on Summit Mountain. John noticed his radiators said hot. He said, "Is this normal?" I said, "Well, I don't know. Do you ever look at it?" He said, "No, well, maybe." And I says, "Well, isn't it usually in the middle?" He said, "I don't know, but it's on hot now. You think that's okay?" I says, "Oh, God." I says, "I don't think so." So I says, "Pull over here." So we pulled over here. Oh, well, here we sit. I'll run down this hill and go to the stream and get you some water.
Okay. Well, we got up the hill. We managed to get up here. And here's the reservoir. It's empty again. I had to sacrifice my Italian mineral water, but it made the car cool off. And these people are going to just check everything out for us. Make sure that we have the right mixture of coolant and water, and then we'll be on our way again.
Want antifreeze in there? Or?
Yeah, I think so.
Mixture or whatever you got, yeah. Anything will do. Put pea or put beer in there.
Everything's all right. It costs a little less than $4. So we're going to continue on down the road now.
Okay, this is Mount Davis. This is the highest point in PA. We were just getting disgusted because we couldn't see any mountains. All we saw was a bunch of Amish people. So here we're driving along, lost in the woods, and what do we find here but Mount Davis? It's only 3,213 feet, isn't it? Let's see. Oh yeah, 3,213. I could tell by the amount of oxygen in the air. I have an automatic meter in my body. I was starting to gasp for breath. Look over at the sign so I can show them how geeky you really are.
Okay.
Get your hand done. Go on, that's come it won't take a picture. Isn't it on a... No, it didn't. Come on, go like that and smile again.
Okay.
It won't go. Here, now it will. I'm sorry, yeah.
Okay.
I just have so much trust.
In front of us.
You're so cute. Come on, you have to follow me. I've got you on a leash like I always wanted. You are so cute. I would like to show the audience how you look in with your microphone on here. I want you to smile for the camera. Real nice. Now turn sideways. No, turn sideways and smile real cute like that.
Hi. Okay, we're going to go
You're
over there
cute.
to the hiking area.
You on your leash?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, I just stepped over about, I think that thing is about 20 feet down there.
These are fantastic rocks. Henry Bachman, an ill-tempered man, and his two sons were searching the fields for lost cows. The father became angry with his youngest son, August, who was slowing the search. The father struck him with a stick, knocking him unconscious. Henry, thinking his son was dead, hid the body among what is now called Bachman's Rocks. Don't get killed.
No, I won't.
Later, returning to the site, he could not find the body. On the testimony of his eldest son, Henry was tried, convicted, and served a term for second-degree murder. What happened to August remains a mystery to this day.
Mount Davis, 3213 feet above sea level, is the highest point in Pennsylvania. The erosion-resistant sandstone at the surface belongs to the Pottsville group formed about 230 million years ago. We're going to go to an observation tower up in the sky.
Well, here we are at the,
Mount Davis, whatever, lookout station.
yeah, mighty tall. We're gonna climb this, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
Now it's our turn.
2 by 2 here, huh?
Okay, here we go.
Okay. There are all kind of rocks over there. It looks like just like a bunch of flat rocks to me. My mother would never come up here. She's scared of heights.
Oh my goodness.
I'm getting like a fear of heights again.
That's scary.
Oh, John. I'm too scared. I can't do it. Oh, no. Can I leave the water out? We'll get it on the way back. I need 2 hands to hold on with. Yes, I'm scared. No.
Yeah. How frightened you are.
Help. Boy, that's a long way. I'm scared to death. Please, God, help me.